Namaste and hello everyone. I'm Debolina ma'am from Debolina and our today's topic is, you can see I have written here, water a precious resource. So water is one of the precious resources. Yes, and I personally believe that life on this planet without water would have not been possible, isn't it? Because most of the activities that we as a human beings we required water, isn't it? So in this video we will learn about the sources of water, we will learn why water is important and many other things. So let us start with what is water. So what is water? You can see I have written here, water is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen gases. So water is a compound of hydrogen and oxygen gases, and 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered by oceans, seas, lakes and rivers. That is you can say that the 3/4 of the earth is covered with water, and only 1/4 of the total earth is the land. Only 1/4 of the total earth is the land. Next we have, water forms nearly 2/3 of the body's weight of the living beings. So 2/3 of the body's weight of the living beings is formed by the water. Okay. Now we will know about the percentage of water in some living beings. So in some living beings, the percentage of water we will discuss about it now. Okay. So in human beings, there is 70% of water. Okay. In you, in me, there is 70% of water we have. Okay. Next we have the trees. So the trees have 60% of water. Next we have the aquatic plants. The aquatic plants have 90% of the water. Okay. And fruits like watermelon has 98% of water. So you can say that watermelon is made up of water only, right? Then we have egg. Yes, egg is 75%. Okay, 75% in the egg you will have water. Yes, okay. Next, now we will discuss about the sources of water. Okay, from where do we get the sources of water? So when we talk about the sources of water, I believe that India is lucky in this case, because in India we have lakes, we have rivers, we have seas. Okay. So now we will discuss about the source of water. So in the number 1 source of water, we have the pond. So water from rain, springs, groundwater get collected in the ponds. Okay. And villagers are highly dependent on the pond water for their daily activities. Okay, for the day-to-day work, they are very much dependent on the pond water. Next, you can see here freshwater, like freshwater fishes like rohu, hilsa, etc. are also found in the pond. Okay. Next, we have river. So river, it contains running water which provides plenty of oxygen. So river has running water which contains plenty of oxygen, and river is formed from the ice. Okay, it is formed from the ice from the high mountain regions, and river also has fresh waters. Okay, freshwater fishes. It has the freshwater fishes like rahu, hilsa, etc. Then we have rainwater. So rainwater is the most common and popular source of water. It is most important source of water for agricultural fields, especially in the villages. So rainwater is one of the very common and popular source of water. Okay, it is very much common and popular source of water, and you can see here I have written, it is the most important source of water for agricultural fields, especially in the villages. Okay. And there are also other sources of water, that is we have the groundwater. Yes, it is also one of the important source of water. Then we also have the oceans. Okay, ocean is also one of the important sources of water. Okay. Okay, so now we will discuss why is water important. Now we will discuss that why is water important. See, water is important because it plays a vital role in our life. Most of the activities that we do, we require water. We cannot survive without water. Especially we the living beings, we cannot survive without water. So let us see why is water important. So in the point 1 I have written here, you can see it is used for cooking, drinking, washing, bathing, cleaning, etc. So we require water for washing, drinking, bathing, cleaning our clothes, everything we require water. Next I have written water is used to generate hydroelectricity. So here you can see water is also required, to generate the hydroelectricity. Next we have it is used for transportation such as boating and shipping. So it is also a means of transportation. For example, it is used in boating, shipping, etc. Next, water is a universal solvent. Okay, so water is a universal solvent. Next we have water is needed for irrigating agricultural fields. So water is also required for irrigating the agricultural fields. Next, water is a habitat for many animals and plants. So water is a habitat for many animals and plants. Okay, so thank you very much, and I hope you all have understood that why water is very important. Okay, see you in the next class.